Okay, this tutorial is going to be about the storyboard. Using the storyboard, using the pictures that you found of your favorite movies in the last assignment on Google Images. Hopefully you've done that. If you haven't done that, you need to go back and get some pictures. So we're going to import, so import pictures. And your pictures are going to be wherever you put them. I have my stuff a different place. You might. And I can just highlight them and then import them all at once. I need to do them separately. And then basically you're going to, what this is kind of like what you're going to see. This is a basic way of doing it, but usually the first jump off point is in the storyboard. So you're just going to drag each one of these into the storyboard. And you can move these if you want one to come before the other. And this is going to be, it's going to last, it looks like, a total of 15 seconds. So if you play it, it'll just basically go from one to the next, and it looks like it has a 5-second kind of like a default for each of the different pictures, which is fine for now. The last thing you're going to do, so this is basic tutorial, but there's two parts of it. So placing these things into a storyboard, this comes first, then that, then this. These right here are transitions, and we're not going to go into those yet, but these are like transitions from this to transition to this, transition to this. So the last thing we're going to do, so you can turn this into me, is go to File, and then we're going to Publish Movie. Okay, and we're just basically, we're going to, we want to use just this computer publish for playback on your computer. You don't want to do this because we don't have an email program set up to that. Recordable CD, this is if you wanted to do it onto like on the CD and a WMV file. We're not going to make DVDs yet. We're not going to put it on my digital camera, so we're just going to do it on my computer. So next, file name is going to be movie storyboard 1. Okay. So then I'm going to put it somewhere where I can find it to upload it. So I'm just going to put it on my desktop and press OK. And then next. Here's some different things. So this is the quality of your movie, how good it is, how, like, if you want to enlarge it, how good it's going to be. I'm just going to choose this. Sometimes you might want to, certain programs you can only have how big of files, certain file size, you can mess with that here. If you need to change the type of video, you can do all these different types of basically things that you want to do, formats. But we're just going to choose this best for quality for playback on us. Kind of gives us a little bit of information here of how big it is. And then you're just going to press publish. And then basically what it's doing is it is now just mixing this all down, putting all the pictures together into a movie file. And some computers take a little bit longer than others, but we'll see how long this takes here. It's just with 3 pictures. Okay. Now if you want to, you can just press finish and play it back. I just want to make sure that it's there. So minimize this. And here it is on my desktop, which is great. So I would just check it real quick to make sure that it actually works. Okay. That's good. So then I would just save this. You don't have to save it, it's already saved. Upload that into Google Docs, and that would be the end of that assignment. What I don't want you to do is say it here. I don't want you to save project as and send me the project. It won't work. You need to actually publish the movie. If you were to just send the project to me, it would have the files, basically the Movie Maker file, but it doesn't have any of these picture files, so it would be a bunch of red X's that I would get, and I wouldn't be able to see that you actually did the assignment. So you need to publish the movie. Don't send me the movie maker file. Alright, that's like a thing you're going to be doing throughout the rest of this whole class. That's it.